Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add overlays in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have OBS open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where you'll be managing all the visual elements that appear in your stream or recording. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section, and from the menu that appears, select Image. This option allows you to add static images or animated GIFs as overlays to enhance your content. A new window will pop up asking you to name your source. Go ahead and type something descriptive like overlay in the name field, then click OK to proceed. This naming step helps you stay organized, especially when you're working with multiple sources. Next, you'll see a Properties window appear. On the right side of this window, click the Browse button. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Locate and click on the animated image or GIF you want to use from your files, then click Open. Once you've selected your file, click OK to add it to your scene. The overlay will now appear on your canvas. Now you can resize the animated image or GIF to fit your layout perfectly. Simply click and drag the corners of the overlay to adjust its size and position it wherever you'd like on your screen. This flexibility lets you create a customized look that matches your style. It's time to add a camera overlay or any other overlay you want to use. Head back to the Sources panel in the bottom left corner. Click the plus icon again and once more select Image from the options. This allows you to layer multiple overlays for a more professional appearance. In the window that appears, rename this source to something like Camera Overlay or GIF so you can easily identify it later, then click OK. Just like before, click the Browse button on the right side of the Properties window. Select your camera overlay file from your folders and click Open to load it into OBS. Click OK to confirm and add it to your scene. Resize this camera overlay by dragging the corners to match the dimensions you need. Position it where you want your webcam feed to appear, creating a frame or border effect that adds polish to your stream. Now let's add your actual webcam. In the Sources panel at the bottom left, click the plus icon and this time select Video Capture Device. This option specifically allows you to bring your webcam feed into OBS as a source. Enter a name for this source, something simple like webcam works perfectly, then click OK. In the Properties window that opens, look for the Device drop-down menu at the top. Click on it and choose your webcam from the list of available cameras. You should immediately see a preview of your camera feed appear in the window. Once you confirm everything looks good, click OK to add it to your scene. Finally, resize your webcam feed by dragging the corners to make it smaller or larger as needed. Carefully position it inside your camera overlay frame so it fits perfectly within the border you created earlier. This creates a seamless, professional look where your webcam appears within a custom frame. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple overlays to your OBS setup, creating a polished and personalized streaming layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.